Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This video is sponsored by OmgHerHair, and these are the lovely items that came in the packaging. You can also order an adjustable elastic band, a comb, the wig brush, the hair ties, and all of that good stuff. And this is the beautiful color of the unit that I'll be installing on my model today. As you guys can see, this wig does have highlights. And the knots on this unit came with the whole front bleach. You're gonna get a lot of parting space on this unit. And this is a 360 unit, so you can wear this up in a ponytail. Modeling for you guys today is my friend Gigi. If you guys are on Instagram, be sure to go ahead and follow her on IG. As you guys can see, she does have a lot of hair. So I'm just gonna secure her hair under this wig cap.
Oh shit. Yeah. Really do freeze, huh?
And I'm gonna go ahead and give her a bald cap. Now, if you guys don't know how to do a bald cap, I do have a detailed tutorial. I'll be sure to link that in the eye above, as well as in the description box down below.
Did I say hi to you too?
No. For me? No? Should I wave now?
So after the fact. Next, I'm going to just make sure her forehead is clean of all makeup. So I'm using the Sea Breeze just to clean up her forehead before I apply the glue. And in today's video, I will be using the Bold Hold Active. This is my first time trying it out. I'll let you guys know my thoughts. Where you want the wig to lay?
Where? All I can say is that I need my forehead not to look like this. So you're gonna pull it to the front. You're gonna probably somewhere around this mole right here, and then we should be Gucci. Yes, shrink my forehead.
Shrink your forehead?
Yes.
Operation Shrink Forehead?
Please. Mandatory.
Mandatory.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So an easy way of applying the glue to make sure that you're applying it to the right part of your forehead is to mark it out using an eye pencil. However, I don't suggest using a white pencil. I'll go into more details about that a little later in this video.
Damn!
What?
I didn't realize it was gonna be that much. Yo. Hold up. I'm about to be a whole new person.
You about to be
now I'm excited.
Yes, one of the benefits of wearing wigs, you can make your forehead as big or small as you like. When applying glue, you will have to apply multiple coats for a stronger hold. So depending on how strong of a hold you want, that will depend on how many coats you apply. For this install, I decided to give her 4 coats because I did want it to last on her hair for a little bit. And this Bold Hold Active glue dries pretty quickly. So once you see one side turning clear, you want to be sure to go in and start applying that second layer before the glue fully dries. And I'm using the back of this rat tail comb to spread the glue out, and that works pretty well. And you want to make sure you're applying the glue in thin layers, and that's going to ensure that it dries clear. I can tell you from trial and error that if you apply the layers too thick, it won't dry clear. And once you put the wig on, the glue will show underneath the unit. So that's just something to be mindful about. Now it's time for me to lay this unit, and I'm just gonna apply the wig right on top of that glue. And dolls, this is why I don't recommend using the white pencil. It was hard for me to erase that pencil, and it did have her forehead looking white around the perimeter. So it did take a lot of time for me to get that done. So just be sure to use a pencil that matches their skin tone if you decide to apply it in this manner.
I want this blonde in the front of my natural hair now. You see what I'm saying? Like my real hair? That would be cute.
Girl, why would you ruin your real hair with bleach?
Just right, because that's what happened last time. When I had bleached my hair, girl, I had to cut it all out.
No, that's why I said I would never color my hair ever again.
No, just get the wig that color.
Just get a wig.
My hair.
Yep, no
You
sense.
put that stuff in your natural hair, be
Yeah,
done.
no, and your hair is way too pretty to put in.
No, I had to cut all of it off.
Yeah, I know. That happened to me too.
There was nothing I could do about it no more. How much I tried to treat it, it was just dead.
Just be ruining your hair.
I know.
Yes, dolls, there's no need to damage and put all that unnecessary chemicals on your natural hair when you could just put on a wig and achieve the same look. One great thing about OMG Her Hair is that their units are fairly priced. You can grab this exact unit for under $200. And dolls, I didn't show you guys the parting space on this unit. This wig does have really good parting space. As you can see, I am able to part this unit all the way to the back. And don't forget that this is a 360 and it can be worn up in a ponytail. Now right here, I'm just cutting off the extra lace that wasn't glued down in the front. And then I went over it with some of her makeup just to hit any of those spots that still had the white pencil. Next, I'm cutting some very light layers in the front just so the hair could flow a lot more freely. And I did ask her if she wanted some baby hairs, so I'm gonna go ahead and give her some. But as you guys know, I like to apply more natural looking baby hairs, so just be mindful, the more hair you use for the baby hairs, the less natural it will look. You guys know I prefer the more natural look, so I did give her some light baby hairs, nothing too major. And this is the final look. As you can see, she is really enjoying this install. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, as always, I will have everything listed in the description box down below. And I was also able to secure a coupon for my dolls as well. Guys, go ahead and provide your name suggestions for this unit in the comment down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed last week. The new name and the person who submitted that name is listed across the screen. And dolls, thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out.